A lot of upcoming content creators still don't know they can schedule content for a whole day, week, or month on their Facebook profile or page. The schedule feature on Facebook helps you plan your 1 week or month-long content in just one day and go to sleep or face other tasks while Facebook posts the content for you at the scheduled time and date. So in this video, I will show you how to schedule content on your Facebook profile. This is for educational purposes. Please share with your audience. Also, follow or subscribe if you are watching on YouTube. Let's go. On Facebook, click on where you want to post, to make a post. All right. So I've already prepared the post I want to make. This post that I want to make is a thread and it comes with comments. All right. So everything that I want to talk about will be posted in the comment section of the post. With the schedule feature, I will be able to make the post and also post in the comment section. And at the time I schedule the post to be posted, it will be posted together with the comment. All right. So I already have the picture I want to use. This is the picture. So the next thing I want to do is to click on next. Then click on scheduling options. We want to use schedule for later. So I'm scheduling this post for tomorrow. Today is Saturday, November 29th. All right. So you can change this even if it is next month that you want this post to be posted. You can choose next month. All right. By clicking on the arrow there and it will show you December. You can see then you can pick the dates in December you want the post to be posted by Facebook. All right. So I don't want December. So I will go back. I want the post to be made tomorrow. So I will pick 30. Then click OK. Then the next thing I want to do is to choose the time. The time tomorrow I want the post to be made. So this is the time. The first round here shows morning time. That's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. to 12 midday. Then this second round shows afternoon time. All right. So it shows 24 hours clock here. So this middle circle shows afternoon time. All right. So if you want it to be posted, for example, let's say 9 a.m. in the morning, I will click on the blue circle there. Then I will drag it to 9. You can see that's 9 a.m. I want to put it on 9 a.m. dot. So I will drag this to 0. So that is how it is done. That's for 9 a.m. Let's say I want the post to be made in the afternoon tomorrow. So I will go back to the keyboard. So I will put, let's say 1 p.m. 1 p.m. is 13. And I will click OK. All right. So you can see tomorrow, 1 p.m. You can see that. So that's when the post will be made. So then I will click this arrow to go back. Click on schedule. Now you have two options to check your schedule post. You have two options. You wait for it to be posted. Immediately it is posted, it will show you manage. You can see manage came out. You say your post is scheduled. You can click on the manage. If you don't want to do that, just click on your profile. Then scroll down. You see manage post. Click on it. This is the one I just scheduled. So I will click on it. Now, remember I said that this post, everything I want to say is going to be in the comment section. So I'm going to post everything about this, the 20 secrets to making strangers trust you enough to pay for your product or offer. So the 20 secrets, I want to post them in the comments. So I'll click on it. So now I can see comment. So I can click on the comment section, then go to copy everything that I want to say. I want to copy, since it is 20, I want to copy 1 to 5 at once and post it. Everything that I want to say, I've posted them in the comments. So now when Facebook is going to post to make this post by 1 p.m. tomorrow, everything will be posted with the comment. You can sit down, create a post. You can use like 3 hours in a day and make a post for the whole week and schedule them. And at the time you schedule the post, everything will be posted. Lastly, let's say you made a mistake. You can correct your mistake even before the post is made by Facebook at the scheduled time. So all you need to do is to click on this dot here, click on the dot here and click on edit. So you can edit the post at any time. You can edit, add whatever you want to add, remove whatever you want to remove if you made a mistake. When you are done with your editing, the save button here will turn blue. So you click on it to save. The same thing with the comment. If you made a mistake in the comment, you can also edit it. Just place your finger on it and this will come out. Then click on edit and you can edit your comments. That's it. Now, if you want me to make a video on a topic you don't understand, let me know in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.